And the foothills, too, of course, that is an area expected to see even stronger winds later this morning.
Yeah, we're talking about Golden, more specifically Highway 93 and 72 there in Golden. Let's get out to pinpoint weather meteorologist Carly Cassidy. She is there in Jefferson County. We can see the wind blowing you around a bit. Carly, how's it going out there?
Yeah, it definitely is. And Anthony, he's like bracing the camera here too. So it definitely has picked up. And that is, of course, the main thing that we are talking about, the winds from this system. Now, not to make light of this weather system that moved through. We know it has already proven to be so powerful. But it's a lot like, from Anchorman when Will Ferrell, Ron Burgundy is like, well, that escalated quickly. That is exactly what happened here along Highway 93 and 72. If you take a look at this time-lapse video, just over the Flatirons, you see that snow squall, the front just completely inundate and take over. You can't even see it. And then we just got slammed by that grapple that Lisa was also talking about, those little small pellets. And then temperatures just dropped very quickly and the winds obviously increased and staying strong. Now, since then, that has since moved out and of course passed through the metro. No more precipitation, a few puddles left back behind here, but you can of course see the wind, and that's the main thing, that high wind warning. You see the street signs, they are just completely moving. All of the grass, the poles here as well. We do continue, of course, with those very windy conditions, and this is just the beginning. We still will be seeing more and higher wind gusts as we do get going throughout the rest of this morning and then into early afternoon. So really do need to brace yourself, be prepared, and if you can, stay off the roads and stay inside to really avoid these very windy, which can be possibly damaging and dangerous conditions. But of course, we will keep you updated as far as those wind gusts do continue throughout this morning, and we'll keep you updated all the way throughout today. Live along Highway 93 and 72, I'm Carly Cassidy, Fox 31.